Hey guys, I have tips for you. If your blades on your lawnmower are broken because you probably ran over something and it just like isn't turning. So all you have to do, shove something in the blade so they don't spin on one that is working right. For me, it's the far left one that is broken. So put something in there, take it off. It's normally a 24. Then once you take it off, you look at this, make sure this is your problem. For me, it is because this is shredded out. It's not getting grip. Now once you have your blade off, what you do is you drill a hole, make sure it's in the circumference of this circle around here, and make sure it's something on the lawnmower that you can drill into without breaking it more. And then all you have to do is put a screw through there, and put this over there, tighten it down on lawnmower, of course. And I hope this guy's helped you, and if it does, please like, comment, subscribe. Have a good one, y'all.